Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Parrot. So today what we want to discuss is our pro solutions. Now, our pro solutions are aimed at boardrooms, executive boardrooms, and more upmarket venues. The main three areas around our LEDs is your collaboration, presentation, and of course video conferencing, which is huge in saving you time and money, obviously traveling from branch to branch or for specific meetings. So let's quickly have a look at the first one, being the presentation aspect of things. Now, normally in your boardroom, you would have either a pull down screen or somebody would sit with their laptops trying to present you what's happening. Now, with our LEDs, obviously, via various ways of connecting, you can display your content on the screens. But instead of just sitting there and clicking on your mouse or using a clicker, you can now run your PowerPoint presentations or Excel or Word or whichever software package you use to do your presentations, and you can now swipe through those presentations. So instead of now sitting there and everybody's attention is somewhere else, they can now focus on what you're explaining on the screen. And of course, you can also, if we just go and select a pen over here, I can now annotate over this. So, which is which, the student or the educator? Which is more important? Then, of course, you don't have to clear this board because that's the whole point of this LED. And of course, it is amazing for your ICT integration. So, all three of those points have what in common? Okay, now as you can see, it is as easy as that to actually annotate over it. But now when I swipe through my slide, I'm not losing that information. So if I go back, all of that information is there. And then of course, if I do go back into my normal presentation screen, it asks me would I like to keep it? Yes, I would. And there you'll see it's on the slide. So this allows you to save time and save the effort of everybody actually trying to write down what you're doing, because you can distribute this afterwards via email. Next up, what we've got is the collaboration aspect of it. So with collaboration, it means we can have multiple people discussing and working on the same thing. So I'm just going to use a package here called the Microsoft Whiteboard. Now, Microsoft Whiteboard is a free software package that you can download from the Microsoft Store. But with this, you can now invite colleagues, friends, family, everybody into one specific whiteboard. Now I've just got a template over here. They've got various templates that you can use. And what the nice thing is here, I can now, if I do invite people into it, we can collaborate right at the same time. They can see where I'm writing. Let's quickly have a look. So the effect has causes, and let's find what is the solution. Now this all allows me to move it around, and I can now make more notes, and as I discussed, everybody can now see what I'm doing. They can work with me, they can collaborate with me. If I go back just to my home screen, you'll see all of your whiteboards that you've used are there for you to reopen or rejoin, and the people that you've worked with can work on these whiteboards without you having been there, because they can then add their notes, and at a later stage or during a meeting they can just open it and discuss what happened there. Now, of course, we come to the next point, being video conferencing. It is a huge thing that saves us time, saves us money. And of course, as you can see, I've got a colleague phoning me now for the video conferencing. We use Microsoft Teams in this example, but of course, you've got your Zoom, you've got your Skype, you can use any of those. Now, of course, as you can see, here we've got my colleague Keegan. He's on the other side over there. And with our Pro solutions, what we've got is we do have the speaker microphone pods that uses that for either the audio or, of course, the voice going through to whomever's on the other side, with the soundbars also in that whole package. Of course, with our LEDs and our Pro solutions, you also do get what we call a slot-in PC. So you don't have to connect a PC or a laptop, because it's got one built in for you. With a full Windows 11 installation, you can install whatever software packages you want on there and it will run. So now with Keegan, I'm quickly going to actually share my PowerPoint presentation so that you can see how quick and easy that is. Now you'll notice Keegan is in the bottom over there, and he will see my PowerPoint presentation. Keegan, give us a nod there if you can see my presentation over there. Let's open up in full. Let's swipe through. I can minimize Keegan over there, obviously for the people within my room, and I can annotate over this as I explained. Now, after we've closed that, let's quickly go back to Keegan over there, and let's stop the sharing. So now we can have the rest of our video conferencing. So those are just the three main aspects of our pro solutions for your boardrooms, executive boardrooms, and upmarket venues. So hopefully you'll join us in the next section. Thank you very much.